Are you terrible at Blitz? Well, me too. Thanks for joining me on my journey as I try to reach 1500 rating on chess.com as I fix my Blitz. Let's go. All right, let's get to it. Got the black pieces. And we're looking like Yogesh Pilar is gonna quit. So we're gonna see what happens here. All right. Unfortunately, we can't count that as a win. Hold up. I realized I didn't even tell you my name. I'm right now Ramsey. Let's get back to it. He's got the white pieces. And it looks like we got too many screens pulled up. Let's see here. We'll run with the perk. Oh. It's a strange looking move. I think he's going to try to target this square. Very likely. I think that was his whole plan. Now he's like, okay, my plan has failed. What should I do now? Now he's gonna open up another bish, try to target that loose knight. Now, so what do I want to do? Mr. Bish has nowhere to go. Sorry, Mr. Bish. And we will. I think he's certainly trying to open up my king side, but he resides. Well, Fix My Blitz this time appears to be, appears we need to fix his blitz at this point. Let's see what we get here. I played at an 80% level, no blunders, one miss. This here was the miss. Should have pushed that pawn up. I guess I didn't realize soon enough that this bishop was trapped, and I could have capitalized on that a little bit earlier. But other than that, man, I mean, they're recognizing this as a blunder because he's got his bishop trapped. That's a blunder. His bishop's still trapped. Then I got d5, great move. c6, great move. He's got nowhere to go. So, I mean, overall, that's a pretty good game to start off. I'm typically not this good at Blitz, but are you this bad at Blitz too? Subscribe so you have someone to laugh at other than yourself. Let's see what this next game looks like here. Get the white pieces. Gonna run the stone wall. Hatsnada. I feel like I've played this opening so many times, and yet I still find I have a lot of holes in it. I've seen this response a million times. What I really hate is when they push this pawn here, get this pawn there. I should have covered that bishop. I should have played this. Hopefully they don't capitalize on that. Okay, they didn't. I'm all right. He pulls his knight back here for whatever reason. Placed my knight in the nice prime spot. What does he want to do over here? That's my question. No, he wants this. He wants this little pawn here. I'll tell you what, buddy, you're not gonna get it. Brings the queen into the picture. I feel like there's nothing left to do. Just start pushing. Yeah, I mean, now it's the knight dance. Bringing all his pieces back. I'm getting everybody involved. I'm gonna slide the rook over, queen over, knight over. Everybody's coming over to the party. You can do that, that's fine. If you push up here, fall back. If you take, yeah, that's fine. I think he's realizing now his plan is failing. Crazy enough that I mentioned this, it's I'm like half the rating in Blitz as I am in Rapid. I'm sure he wants to. He's probably looking at this piece here. Push this, he takes, take. And I still feel attack is somewhat premature. And he plays this move. Interesting. What does he want to do? He wants to bring that knight in there to guard against this. I'm sure of it. If I move my knight, let him take, I'm gonna fall back. Looks like I still got a little advantage on the clock here. What's he want to do? Probably wants to get in there, which wouldn't be the most terrible thing. I got an idea though. Check here. Gladly. He's just trading off the pieces now. Ah, he does have a plan. And he fails. Time out. This has been episode 1 of Fix My Blitz, and I promise I'm a lot worse than I look in these games. But I'm sure you'll see that in upcoming episodes. Thanks for tuning in, and be looking out for the episode 2 of Fix My Blitz. Let's go.